Alright, today we're gonna go ahead and bring you guys a new little spot for the cats. Let me go ahead and open it and pull everything out. Alright, we have these directions. So this is how it's supposed to look like once we're done with it. Okay, so we did panel 3, panel 4, panel 5, and then we got number 6, that little thing right here. We did number 7. 7 just slides in. These are very easy. They're the little things where you turn, you click, you lock them in. All right. We are putting these. Okay, so now we're at the step where we're going to be screwing in the legs. They are kind of, you have to figure out which one goes on this side because they do have already the area where you're going to screw them into already pre-made. So you got to make sure you're not putting them the wrong one. Okay, we have the finishing product right here. We put in right here the scratcher for the cats. And here we're going to put the kitty litter. And look at this door. Closes there. Has a nice handle. Looks really nice. Let me show you. Let me go ahead and put in their kitty litter. Okay, we have the kitty litter. Here we go. Look, Cam. Ooh, look at your kitty litter in there. Good girl.